Hey everybody, I have a little tutorial for you today about a pose called Double Pigeon or Double Firelog pose. Now, Cyndie was asking a question based on one of the instructions I gave recently in a class, where I said when you stack your legs, so we're working towards ankles and knees lining up, but might look a lot more like this, that's fine. When we're coming towards stacking the legs, we're bringing the shins towards parallel with the front of the mat. Do we also bring our thighs parallel with the mat? So here's the answer to that question. Only if your hips are super flexible. Now, you'll notice that my hips are not quite flexible enough for my thighs to be parallel. You'll see that this knee is lifted up a little bit. Just have a little tension there in that hip. And if I were to reverse my legs, I'm a little bit more close to parallel on this side, but I'm not quite there. And that's fine, because getting that flexible is not really the goal. It's about exploring and learning about yourself and your body along the way. So thighs, maybe parallel with the floor, maybe not. Now the other part of her question was about the shins and how we bring those parallel to the edge of the mat. Now you'll notice, experiment with this with me. So bring your right heel in front of your left hip, and then bring your left foot on top of that right leg. Knee turns out to the side, maybe your heel is over your knee, maybe it's further back, wherever it is. Go ahead and bring both shins towards parallel with the front of your mat. And notice how that feels, sitting up nice and tall. Now here's what we often do, because this is an intense external rotation. And we're getting into some really juicy stuff there. But what often happens is that, especially that bottom leg, the one we can't see, well, the heel will come in a little closer. So right now I've got a pretty sharp angle here and my shin is nowhere near parallel with the front of my mat. But with my other leg on top, I can't see that. So it's like it's not happening. And all that intensity, not going on in my hip anymore. So if I bring that foot back out, bring that shin to parallel with the front of the mat, oh, now we're into something much more interesting. So it's about exploring your boundaries and remembering that you're going towards something. Doesn't mean you're getting to it, you're just moving in that general direction. So if your legs aren't exactly parallel, either your thighs or your shins, just go as close as you can go comfortably. Push the edge, don't go over the edge. So try this in your pigeon practice, your double pigeon or your double firelog, whatever it is that you like to call it. Let me know what you think. I look forward to hearing from you.